So we got the self-driving R34 Tesla model. It self-drives, no hands. Alright, today we're going to the Philly Auto Show drop-off day for all the cars. My car's gonna be in it. My buddy, we're going to a shop right now. The guy that actually got me into the show. We're gonna shout him out. We're gonna shout him out and give him the credit. All right.
You have easy pass or no? No. All right.
I do.
All right. So some people do, some people don't.
Well, just pull over. Hit up Platinum Hour Repair for all your needs. They do more than this, just this. This is the owner right here. Say what's up.
What's up?
Alright, we're getting some gas. Alright, we're going through the Walt Whitman Bridge. And like always, this thing is sketchy. Because I always got half of the thing shut off. Weight reduction, baby. Alright, we're here at Philly, chilling. Alright, we're arriving. This joint is huge. This joint be out. Arrived now with the crews coming in. This shit gonna look good down here, boy. Oh yeah.
Back up a little bit.
Right.
Just move the seat back. The seat goes back.
Alright. Damn.
Right here. This goes. Yep. Just pushes up. Alright, I gotta turn this on. That goes on.
That goes on. That goes on. Does that switch back here on the behind the seat need to be turned on? Oh, you did?
Yep.
Nice. She's alive.
Turning. Unlock the iPad.
Got this joint out. My joint right there chilling. Now we're gonna move up there somewhere. Alright, she's in gear now. Let me try to get out this joint right here. It's a little tough. Ah. Race car, baby. We out now. Alright, now we're picking up a Mustang with a blower. And we're gonna take it to the show. So stay tuned for that.
Go back driver or passenger, I mean. Jerry, Matt, how far did you have this in here? Oh, yeah.
Alright, we arrived. Back in here. Alright, so they're setting up. Everybody's setting up. We out here on this spot. My car. couple of the club's car. We're rearranging things.
Live?
Yeah, I'm live. No, I'm just saying I'm making a video about the whole entire show.
Look at that. That thing.
I like it. They set up. That big truck over there set up. It's coming, baby. This one step closer to one of my dreams. So let's get it. These people are setting up the Porsches.
I can go that way to get out.
That's just nice.
Now, when we come back for like every day for the show, I can just park just my truck in here, right?